Hello folks, today I've been asked to come out here to take a look at a foundation, and they was really worried about it, but the owner said they fixed it, so let's see what they got. Well, we see we got Visqueen plastic on the outside. Well folks, this is not waterproofing. Visqueen will deteriorate shortly with the weather, animals. This is not waterproofing. Look at this, what a mess, what a mess. Oh, we just got us some extra laying here on the ground. What do we got here? Plywood. Look at this plywood all the way down through here. Isn't this a mess? Oh, what do we got here? What do we got here? Okay, here we go. We're on the foundation, and we got us it's a wooden foundation. And look at there. Look at that. Oh, can you see him? Can you see the animal? It's a varmint hoe crawled in there. Can you see him? I can see his eyes. I don't know if you can see him on the video or not, but there's varmint right in there. Isn't that crazy? Wow! Folks, give me a call. Galloway Building Services. You can't make this up. Hey, and if you like these videos, hit like and subscribe, follow us, and share them with your friends. This way, a lot of other people can see what you are learning, and you won't be the only expert. Anyway, folks, thank you for watching our videos. Oh my stars, look at this. Oh, it just gets worse. It just gets worse on the siding. Wow, I'm done. Out of here. Okay, thank you, Galloway Building Services.